Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to edit your profile in Pencil. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Pencil landing page. So I'm just going to leave this space to be taken to the landing page. As you can see on the bottom left-hand side of my page, it says Profile, so I'm just going to click on that. I'm then going to type out my name on the search bar above to find my profile information. Now that I've found my profile, I'm just going to click on it, and I can see all my current profile information. If I would like to make any changes, I can click the Edit button at the top right-hand corner of my screen. Now I can add a profile picture, change my name, change my email address associated with the account, change my password, add a phone number, and even add a bio. Once I'm satisfied with my changes, I can just click Done, and my profile will be updated. So another way to change your profile is by going to the Pencil home page and clicking on your profile avatar at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here the same process applies. Select Edit Profile, and you can make any changes to your profile. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button at the top right corner of your screen.